So today I'm gonna be trying this ruletas. IDK.
Yeah, she said I'm not gonna be in her vlogs anymore.
Yeah, cause she ruined my last one, and it's not a vlog; it's a short. But anyways, we're trying this ruletas.
But the shopkeeper uses a machine to pull out all of her hair and gives her very little money in return. I think that this woman comes to the shop to sell her hair, but the shopkeeper uses a machine to pull out all of her hair and gives her very little money in return. When she tries to argue with him, he turns the machine over and pushes her outside. The woman peeks through the hole in the door. She sees the shopkeeper.
Okay, anyways, we're gonna be trying this ruleta grape, and not sponsored. None of my videos are sponsored.
Suddenly, a golden flash appears, and he takes the hair out and presses it flat in a machine. In reality, he is using that hair to make an expensive fur-like coat. After a short time, the coat is ready.
Turn it down
and he puts a
more.
price tag worth thousands on it. Seeing this, the woman looks at the little money in her hand and feels upset. Just then, a few bugs fall from the cat sitting nearby onto the money, and she gets an idea. She rolls the bill into a thin tube and uses it to blow those bugs onto the coat. At the same time, the shopkeeper is sleeping deeply, and the bugs slowly spread all over the coat. When he wakes up, he is shocked to see that his expensive coat has been ruined. The woman standing outside starts laughing when she sees this. The shopkeeper quickly tries to remove the bugs and goes outside to throw them away. At that moment, a cat jumps on him, and the woman pushes his head into the machine. Then she picks up the fallen money and walks away, while the shopkeeper is left there struggling. If you drink water, then like the video and subscribe to the channel and write, I drink water.
I'm eating one of those tomorrow.
Apparently it's not great, but
It's not good.
If you adore your mom and don't want a creepy...
it's yummy.
If I hit the coin, I answer. If I hit the coin, LeBron will go on a date with me. No. If I hit the coin, I'm chopped. If I hit the coin, I'm answer.
Oh, it feels so good to be back.
Oh, is my best customer for today? I better help them.
Oh my gosh, this music is so nice.
Oh, it is grape, I think.
I'm Alexis. Welcome to Millipede, where every...
I think it's grape.
Eva Squishy in the world. You might say it's the K-pop Demon Hunters Squishy, or maybe the huge...
I'm watching my little sister's iPad, but make sure to hit that like button in the face.